Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can send files from Windows PC to your iPhone wirelessly. First, go to your iPhone, then open the App Store. Here, go to search box and type local send. And then you just have to install this app right here. And once you've done installing, tap on this open button. And then next, we will need to open our Windows PC. Go to your browser and then search for local send. Same app right here. And then tap this share files to any of our devices. And then here, click on download button. Here you can download Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, or iOS. So in this case, we're going to click on Windows and click on the exe file right here on the left side of your screen. And then here, you just have to basically just have to download or install this application on your Windows PC. So follow the on-screen instructions here. And once you've done, open this app. And then from here on your iPhone, tap on send. And then you will find the Wise Potato, as you can see the name from this Windows PC. So I'm going to tap on media. So I'm going to send a photo to my Windows PC. So here I'm going to select. So I'm going to show to you an example. So from this one here, and then you just have to tap on confirm. Once done, as you can see, you just have to click on accept on your Windows PC, and then you will find that image. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.